The site is an epic site. It's one of those unusual sites in that you actually come in and there's quite an elevation. And what we wanted to do is sit a house basically on the hill, but not dominate the hill. And we sort of climb up from the back and it kind of peers over the ridge to the view at the top. This is a family home for essentially a couple, but also a couple and their 4 daughters when they come back. So it was important that the house actually didn't feel cavernous, didn't feel large or too dominant when there was just a couple here. So the top of the home is kitchen, dining, living and main bedroom. And the rest of the bedrooms step down the side. There's a big organiser, the stairs that go from the entry, a small modest entry at the bottom, to the top. And when you get to the top, the view slowly opens up through the different spaces. We wanted it to reflect a little bit of the family. They do a lot of business with Japan, and so a decision was made for the timber work to be flamed. And we found these pockets of natural stone on the side. And so we wanted parts of the house to be reflective of that. The stonework from the outside, we also brought inside, and it wraps some of the elements, in particular the fireplace elements. The kitchen in this family home became very, very important. A, because of the connection to Japan, and so we wanted this really, really soft, I guess, narrative of Japanese architecture. But it was to project into the landscape, but also to have a great relationship with the dining room. There's a series of curves in the house, and that's a device to soften it. To soften the ends of the building as it projects into the landscape. But also to provide moments where you project into the landscape. The oculuses are quite important as well because we wanted that vertical connection to the sky, the stars at night, the elements. With architecture, we're always trying to ennoble the spirit, make your heart skip a beat. And a device that we commonly use is, we call it spaces for occasions. So sometimes you want the higher spaces, sometimes you want the enclosed spaces, sometimes you want the spaces that connect completely to the landscape.